Jacqueline, now I need for you to please come here and say a little.
Well, I think for sure I'll be performing to Apni To Jaise Taise, my first item song ever, and definitely songs from Murder too. And I think obviously just a medley of all the popular songs this year, maybe a few classics, and just make it as entertaining for everyone of all ages and from all, I guess music interests.
Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow.
I really have to leave for a video shoot. I'm really sorry. So I'm just going to quickly say a word. This is going to be a really fun night. We're going to have a really good time. And I'm really sorry I have to run. But thank you all for being here. And my friend and brother Shekhar will take care of this. Thank you all.
And friends, I would like to re-invite now Jacqueline Fernandez to please come on to the stage.
Well, it's for us, it's going to be a lot of fun because our friends at Sahara, Jacqueline, Neha, all of us coming together to spend our 31st night with all people, all your guests. I think it's going to be a fun night. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I think there's nothing better than, spending time with your friends and having a great time, having a big party here. So, yeah, it's going to be fun.
And of course, members of the press, it's just a wonderful day. I'm going to keep seeing you again and again all day today, which is fantastic. But, for me to define, the Sahara Star Celebration of Seduction 2012 is special because I'm not one who actually brings in New Year's with a bunch of people or an audience or a number of fans. I usually try and stay to myself. But when the offer came from Sahara, it was very hard for me to actually say that, I'm not going to do it. It was very exciting. I know that I will be breaking and setting a new record because I'm going to be performing under the world's largest dome, which should be something to really reckon with. But apart from that, just performing for a beautiful audience that's going to be here, just with Vishal and Shekhar, with Jacqueline, with all the performers that night. It's going to be a special night, and we promise you that you're not going to be let down.